What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we've got a brand that we are yet to do. It's the first video we've got on this brand, new to us here, and they turned up today and we thought we'll do an unboxing for you. We weren't going to do an unboxing, but we decided actually these are pretty cool. So unfortunately I have already cut the tape because I was looking at them earlier, but I never took them out of the wrapping or anything, so we should be able to experience firsthand, just minus the fact that I did cut the tape. So I apologise about that, but yeah, here we've got them, the Samsung Buds Live. Now the outside of the box looks great, really clean, very Apple-esque as I'd say, very minimalistic, and it's got this like reflective writing all over it that sort of refracts light throughout it. So it looks really cool. It's a really good looking box on the outside and it feels very high quality, especially because these have quite a high price tag. I believe some are going for around the 150 mark, so pretty expensive. Let's hopefully they stand up to that, stand up to the price tag. These are a little bit different, and you can see on the front they kind of have a different design to what the majority of earbuds are actually going for recently, and I quite like that. I'm a big fan of people expanding and going a different direction with them, and you know, these are sort of a pioneer in that sense, looking completely different to what a lot of brands are going for. They're sort of like an earplug type look. Anyway, that's enough about the box. I'll slide this out so we can have a look at them in real time. So as you open the box, you've got this sort of Samsung pouch here, and inside this pouch you've got all your typical warranty card and quick start guide. It's pretty self-explanatory and pretty basic. Moving on through the box, now there's only two other parts to this. There is nothing underneath this little bit that holds it in. I've already had a look, but what else you've got is this little pouch here that holds the tip adjusters and the charging cable here, and it is a USB Type-C. Future-proof there as well. And the final part is obviously the buds themselves. So I'll slide this bit of paper off. Here's the case itself. Now you can see it says Samsung Sound by AKG, so it's got that high quality sound obviously. On the back you've got the USB Type-C port, and around the side you've got this little seam here that sort of separates it out, and on the front you've got the power indicator there that sort of lights up when you're charging it. So if we open this up, you can see that the finish on the inside is sort of a matte colour, and here are the actual buds themselves. You can see they're labelled right and left with another power indicator in the middle there. So what I've gone ahead and done is change the tip size on these to a larger tip size, just because I feel like they would fit my ears better and also have that better seal. I have done a little bit of research and people have said that changing it to the larger tip size allows that active noise cancellation to work a little bit more, providing a better seal and having better bass and sort of quality of music overall. So I have already gone and changed the tip size. That's what people are recommending, and you know, if they feel a bit big I'll change them out later on. But yeah, putting the buds to the side, you can also see that you've got these little charging prongs here, but yeah, you simply just plug your buds into them and they start charging automatically. The hinge feels very high quality, and I really don't think that's going to break at all. It's got this little softening pad here, so when you close it, it makes a very satisfying noise, and it is also magnetic. Again, that soft quality feel here really provides that premium feel for these buds as a whole. Now, as I always do, test the magnet in this to see if these buds are going to fall out. Truthfully, I don't know how these are going to hold up. They do feel a little bit wobbly, so I guess we'll see. Okay, I was proven wrong. They do hold up very well, so these won't fall out, and I gave that a good shake there. So yeah, they should be pretty good on your everyday use. Now, we don't have a Samsung phone in-house here, so unfortunately I can't pair these perfectly with a Samsung phone. Hopefully in the future we will have one, so we can revisit this video and pair it with an actual Samsung device. But what I have installed on my phone is the Samsung Galaxy Buds app, and I have already connected these together. It's very simple. You simply take them out, put them in your ears, and then they connect straight away to the app. Very easy. So we'll go through the app really quick. As you can see, you've got active noise cancellation. Now this is off for now, just because I want to show off a little bit what it does later on. You've got this equalizer where you can choose different settings for your actual earphones, and when they're actually out, you can click on them like this and change instantly to different sound. Now I like it on the bass boost because I like that bass sound. But yeah, you can change however you want. You've got a little equalizer within the app. You've got all your touch controls that you can customize. You can even block certain touches or touches as a whole, so then they don't affect your listening. You've got this labs thing where you can relieve the pressure from ambient sound. So basically what happens is when you turn that active noise cancellation on, the earbuds almost suck into your ears and create a better suction around them, therefore creating a better active noise cancellation. And sometimes this can feel uncomfortable for some people, so you can simply turn this on and it will relieve some of that pressure so that they feel a little bit less sort of sucked to your ears and a little bit more free. It can give a feeling of sort of, you know, when you're in a plane, your ears feel like they're gonna pop. Can give that feeling if you don't relieve the pressure sometimes. You've also got Find My Earbuds. So basically, if your earbuds have gone missing, you can press start and they'll play a little sound. So I'll pull one out now and we'll be able to listen to that hopefully. Now it's very quiet. I'm going to try and move it close to the microphone, you maybe hear it. It's actually extremely loud. I think it starts quietly and then gets louder. You can hear that if I put that up towards the microphone there. It's very, very loud. So we'll just stop that now. I think that's a very useful feature for if you've lost your buds, and you know they have every chance of going missing as they are fairly small in terms of earbuds, so that could happen. So I think that feature is a very wanted one. And other than that, all you've really got is your general, so your resets. You've got a user manual within the actual app. You've got earbud software updates, tips and user manual, and you've got sort of about your own device. But that's about everything for the app. I will pop them in now and have a little listen just so I can tell you what I feel like they're like. Now I have turned off the active noise cancellation just for now, as when I had them on just a minute ago and turned the noise cancellation on, I could barely hear what I was actually saying outside and could not regulate my own volume properly. But I have gone ahead and turned noise cancellation off for now. So yeah, they are extremely loud. I popped them out for now, just I wanted to see how loud I could actually get them, and I would say do not try that because they are seriously loud. And the bass is definitely there, especially when you put that bass boost mode on, you can hear it very clearly. Now I haven't tested all the modes yet, and if that's something you want to see us do, we'll do a more in-depth dive into these earbuds. Just let us know in the comments below. But yeah, this is just sort of a first look and unboxing. We thought these looked really cool, and I really like the colorway they come in, and I like the fact that they look different to the majority of things you see on the market, and they fit kind of differently within my ear as well. Rather than fitting down, they sort of fit within that sort of ear hole there. On the whole, very impressed by these Samsung Buds Live. If you want to see a more in-depth dive, as I previously said, we can do that. Just let us know in the comments below. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.